Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Well, it looks like disaster has been averted. A crypto disaster in the making has been averted, and creditors and maybe even users can expect most of their money back. Now, I'm not really sure if the creditors just mean the fat cats, or do they mean the fat cats plus all the users? But this has to do with Genesis and DCG, which were big players in crypto. If you remember, they owed billions upon billions of dollars, but there is a recovery plan that can expect to recover 80% of creditors. Now, like I said, if it's 80% of creditors and users, and if that includes Gemini Earn, that would be great. But I'm not really sure if users are actually included. However, like Gemini, I think is one of the creditors, so it would probably mean Gemini Earn, but I don't know about individual depositors. So basically, what's going to happen is DCG is going to hand its equity stake in Genesis to Genesis Global, which will then be sold. So essentially, DCG is basically unraveling. And then Genesis is going to break away from DCG and be sold out. I don't know who's going to buy Genesis. Maybe, Goldman Sachs, maybe Fidelity, maybe BlackRock. A lot of possibilities there. Right now, this deal is actually being reviewed, but it was agreed to in principle today. And of course, DCG will contribute its share of equity in Genesis Global Trading, that is Genesis brokerage subsidiary business, to Genesis Global Holdco, a holding entity for Genesis. So there's a lot of different entities in this, but the point is that DCG is going to let go of its hold on Genesis because it has basically no choice. Of course, the terms of the agreement will see DCG exchanging 1.1 billion note due in 2032 for a convertible preferred check. It'll also refinance its existing 2023 term loans with an aggregate value of $526 million. So basically, DCG is going to get the money. They're not going to be completely insolvent, but Genesis has to be sold. The agreement will also see crypto exchange Gemini contribute $100 million for its Gemini Earn users who have funds frozen in bankrupt firm. So basically, I think Gemini Earn people might actually get all their money back because in addition to this, Gemini is going to contribute $100 million to Gemini Earn. So this actually is probably the best result for everyone. Maybe not for DCG, but they're not becoming insolvent, so I guess it is okay for DCG. But anyways, basically, the creditors will get 80 cents per every dollar deposited. You still lose 20%, but that's about the best thing you can actually hope for now. And this is great for the crypto industry because this could be a really, really big contagion for a lot of other companies. But with 80% redeemed, I don't think the contagion issue will be that much of a problem. So disaster averted, big dip probably averted, and of course, I think everything can settle down now. Definitely a good thing for crypto. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. I think for bears, it's probably bad news because if you took a short, this might have been one of your last hopes. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.